Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write name of objects that you can find in your house. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. First one is SOFA, sofa. Sofa is a type of furniture that you can find in your living room, which provides comfortable seating. Next is DINING, dining, TABLE, table, dining table. This type of furniture is used for eating meals and gathering with family or guests. Next object is BED, bed. Bed is a type of furniture that provides a place to sleep and rest. Next object in our house is REFRIGERATOR, refrigerator. This keeps food and drinks cold and fresh. Next object is OVEN, oven. Oven is an appliance that is used for baking, roasting and cooking food. Next object is WARDROBE, wardrobe. Wardrobe is a place where we store our clothes, shoes and accessories. Next object is TELEVISION, television. Television is an appliance which is used for watching shows, movies, news, etc. Next object in our house is WASHING, washing, MACHINE, machine, washing machine. This appliance cleans clothes by washing them automatically. Next object is MICROWAVE, microwave. Microwave is an appliance which heats or cooks food quickly using microwave radiation. Next object is BOOKSHELF, bookshelf. Bookshelf is a place where we store books, magazines and decorative items. Next object that we can find in our house is LAMP, lamp. Lamp is an object which provides additional lighting in a room. Next is COFFEE, coffee, TABLE, table, coffee table. It is a small table in the living room for placing drinks, books or decor. Next is VACCUM, vacuum, CLEANER, cleaner, vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is an appliance that cleans floors by sucking up dust and debris. Next object is CURTAINS, curtains. Curtains are those clothes that cover windows to block light and provide. The object that we can find in our house is MIRROR, mirror. Mirror is an object that reflects images which we use for grooming and decoration. Next is DISHWASHER, dishwasher. Dishwasher is an appliance that cleans dishes, utensils and cookware automatically. Next is TOASTER, toaster. Toaster is an appliance that toasts bread slices for breakfast or snacks. Next object is BLENDER, blender. Blender is an object that mixes and purees food or drinks like smoothies or soups. Next object is DESK, desk. Desk is an object that provides a workspace for writing, studying, or using a computer. Last one, and on number 28 is CLOSET, closet. Closet is a storage space for clothes, shoes, and other personal items.